Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've already imported your media. Now select the clip on the timeline so Premiere can expose clip-level audio controls. Once selected, open Effect Controls and the Audio Track Mixer to choose whether you'll adjust clip gain or track volume. You do this because clip gain changes the source level, while track controls affect all clips on that track. Make sure to toggle waveform or meters so you can watch levels as you proceed. Start by setting clip gain for a clean, consistent baseline. You're preventing the need for extreme automation later. Once done, add keyframes inside effect controls to raise or lower sections. This gives precise control for dialogue or music. If multiple clips share the same track, use the Audio Track Mixer fader to balance them against other tracks. You switch between clip and track adjustments because one fixes local problems. After leveling, insert a hard limiter or loudness radar on the master track to catch peaks. This protects against clipping when exporting. Once the limiter's in place, monitor the meters and target appropriate LUFS or keep peaks below 0 dB to preserve headroom. When you export, test the final file on headphones and speakers to confirm perceived loudness. If levels clip or sound uneven, drop limiter threshold slightly and rebalance clip keyframes. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.